Assam, and today I am going to be showing you how to use this weapon called as Nanchaku. It was first used as a tool in Japan by the farmers, but later on it became a weapon. So first I will be showing you what are the three main parts of the Nanchaku. So this one is called as chain, this bar is called as shaft, and this part is called as river. Now how will you hold it? Let me show you. To hold, you to keep your hand here between the river, the end of the river here to keep. So now, after this, I will show you some few basics. For the basics, I will be showing you in the plastic Nanchaku, not in this, because you might get hurt while you practice, because it will hit you in the first. Your Nanchaku will hit you. If it still hits you, it will get hurt a lot, but in the plastic, it will not. So I will show you the plastic one. So this one, you hold it here. Okay, so now I will show you some few basics. So first one is called as figure 8. While you do this basic, it will make a figure of 8 horizontally. So I will be showing you. Watch it. Now, how will you stop it now? So now let me show you. So first bring the other end of the Nanchaku to your feet. Then bring it here and here. So again watch. Okay, so now another basic is under arm grip. So we have to do, it is used to hit in the head. Like this. Now the backhand grip. It is used to hit in the chin, and also it is used to change the hand. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Now you bring it here. Okay. So now another basic is, while another one, it is also used to hit in the head. So next one, it is like this. Even again, there is another way to stop it. So first we put it like this. We bring it in the hip. Now we bring it here and here. So while you do this hip one, it may not come your hip. It will be first. So to practice it, you will first practice like this in the hip. So watch it like this. There is another basic in the hip, which hip you can change the hand in the hip only. So like this, like this. Now, so these are the basics I have shown you today. So there will be, so in the next video I will be showing you more basics, means which I will be showing you combinations of different attacks with Nanchaku, means combining like figure 8, underarm grip, combining. Okay, so like that I will be showing you. Okay, so this is the end for today. Thank you. Pause.